So hi guys, in this video I am going to talk about approaches to knowledge representation. So basically there are four approaches to knowledge representation. So coming to the first approach to knowledge representation, that is simple relational knowledge. So basically what is simple relational knowledge, or what is in this approach? So in simple relational knowledge, it is the simplest way of sorting facts using relation methods. So in this approach we are going to use the relation between the different facts for a given object. When each and every fact about a set of object is set out sequentially, means when this simple relation knowledge is going to be used when set of object is set out sequentially. For example, there is a player which is having some weight and which will have some age. So how we are going to represent this fact? So we are representing a player named M having weight 70, having age 31, another player with name K having weight 60 and age 26. So how you can represent this fact? You can say player info M, 70, 31, which will infer you that any player with name M will having the weight 70 will have the age 31. So this type of knowledge representation means simple relational knowledge in which relationship between the different entities are used, like different entities were having player, weight and age. Means in this a single object with different set of facts are represented using relational knowledge. Now coming to the second approach, that is inheritable approach. This is a bit different from the relational approach, as in this approach all data should be stored into a hierarchy of classes. Means suppose there is a class named cricketer, means there can be lot number of cricketers. So this is a class, cricketer is a class, but a cricketer is a player. So a cricketer is a player. So this class, cricketer class, is inherited by player. So classes must be arranged in a generalized manner. For example, all left hand batsman is a cricketer, means whichever the left hand batsman may be, or it may be a right hand batsman, they both may be cricketer. So classes must be arranged in a generalization. Every individual frame can be represent the collection of attributes and its value. Like it was a class, left hand batsman was a class, but left hand batsman can have different attributes, like he can be opener or he can be a middle order batsman. So a left hand batsman can have different attributes and its different values. So basically in knowledge representation there are mainly two approaches, that were relational knowledge representation and inheritable knowledge representation. But these two are again a type of approaches. First is inferential knowledge. Inferential knowledge means represent knowledge as formal logic. When this inferential knowledge is used when inheritance property is very useful form of interference. For example, all dogs have tail. So for example, all dogs having a tail. So you can even infer, if there is an example, a cat is having a tail and cat is an animal. So you can derive from the fact that animal, dog and cat, if they belong to the same type of animal set, then if dog is having a tail, then we can say a cat will also have a tail. So it is a property of inheritable property. Means when this inferential knowledge is used, when inheritance property is very useful. So if I am saying all cats are having tail, so if it is given all cats have tail, so from that all cats have tail, it can be derived that all dogs will also have the tail because they belongs to the same type of animal kind family. So this is a third approach, that is inferential knowledge. Now coming to the fourth, that is procedural knowledge. So basically what is procedural knowledge? Procedural knowledge involves knowing how to do something, or you can also say procedural knowledge can explain different ways in programs. So when this procedural knowledge is applied, when we need to know facts are given and these set of facts follow some procedure, means suppose cat is having eyes, and we know that if cat is having eyes, then cat can see objects. So these are set of procedural knowledge. When means in procedure you will be given knowledge. So this knowledge involves implicit learning, means from the given facts we can learn or we can derive what more facts can be derived. Just like if cat is having eyes, then definitely she will going to see objects near him. So basically these were the four approaches of knowledge representation. Thank you.